Have you ever wondered why cars and trucks do the things they do? That's what this Have You Ever Wondered Why series is all about. I'm Kevin with Kevin's Mobile Automotive Repair, and every week I break down common automotive questions I get asked out in the field so you understand what's normal, what's not, and when it actually matters. So let's talk about one that worries a lot of people. Have you ever wondered why your engine keeps burning oil, but there's no leak on the ground? You top it off, drive for a while, check it again, and it's low. A lot of people assume that means the engine is about to fail. In reality, oil consumption is extremely common, especially on higher mileage vehicles. The key is understanding why it's happening and whether it's normal or a real problem. Let's break it down. Engines burn oil when oil gets into the combustion chamber and is burned along with fuel. The most common paths are piston rings and valve seals. Piston rings are designed to seal combustion pressure and control oil on the cylinder walls. Over time, those rings wear or stick, especially if oil changes are skipped. Valve seals control oil around the valve stems. When they harden or wear out, oil drips into the cylinders, usually during startup or deceleration. Here's the important part. Even brand new engines can burn some oil. Manufacturers often consider a certain amount of oil consumption to be normal. Modern engines use low-tension piston rings for better fuel economy. The trade-off is increased oil consumption. That's why some newer vehicles burn oil even with low mileage. Driving habits play a huge role. Short trips don't fully heat the engine, which allows carbon to build up on rings. Extended idling, aggressive driving, and long oil change intervals all accelerate oil consumption. Low-quality oil can also make it worse. Once oil breaks down, it can slip past worn components more easily. Now, here's how you tell normal from not normal. Normal oil consumption: no smoke, no misfires, no warning lights. Oil level drops slowly over time. Problem oil consumption: blue smoke from the exhaust, fouled spark plugs, rough running, rapid oil loss. That's the difference between wear and failure. So what should you do if your engine burns oil? First, check it regular. Running low on oil causes more damage than burning it. Second, use quality oil and change it on time. Clean oil helps keep rings free and seals healthy. And finally, don't panic. Oil consumption by itself doesn't mean the engine is done. So have you ever wondered why engines burn oil? Now you know. It's about wear, design, and maintenance, not always failure. I'm Kevin with Kevin's Mobile Automotive Repair, and this is part of my Have You Ever Wondered Why series.